Add cooking oil on high flame. 1 chopped onion in cooker. Add ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix it for 1 minute on high flame. Add 6 cubes of frozen tomatoes. Add coriander seed powder 1 teaspoon. Add cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon. Add salt 1/2 teaspoon. Add red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Mix it on high flame. Add 1 kilogram chop. Mix it completely for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of water. Cover it and wait for 15 minutes on medium flame. Cook on high flame for 2 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons yogurt on low flame and wait for water to be vaporized. Add 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. And cook for 1 minute on high flame. Masala chop is ready now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more.